Yeah, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a picture to your website or to your blog. In this case, with WordPress.com. Um, when you are inside your account, you go to the dashboard, and then after that, you just go here to media. That's a place where all your media are going to be stored. I mean, in this case, you see it's empty. We go to the library. I mean, still nothing on it. You have 3 gigabytes the space to add some media, so that's actually quite okay. And what we are going to do is from there or directly from add new. I mean, if we click in any of those, then you come to this screen, and then you can select files from your computer, or you can drop them even directly from your computer as well. So I'm going to select the files. I'm going here. I've already the picture we have been resizing before, and then we put that picture in the system. So we click and it takes a while until it's there, and then you see there it is, our picture. So now we have it inside our system in WordPress.com. Let's go to edit. Yeah, and you see yeah, very important in the picture is actually the title of it, and then this is also very important, the alternative text. Why is this so important? Because the search engines don't see pictures, they only see text, and that's actually together with the title of the picture what they are indexing. And it is very important to have always fill this field. So I'm going to put, actually in this case it should be relevant to the article we are writing, or to the post we are writing, or to the page we are writing. But in this case, yeah, I'm going just to put the same as the title. So uh, this is my first picture. The alternative text is also for some browsers are not able to charge your picture, or there are actually set up not to charge pictures, then they get not strange blanco image, but just text, and that helps also to identify what's in there actually. Yeah. So after that, you just go to update. You update it, and then it's in my system. Then you see we get also URL from this picture, so in that URL is always our picture. Okay, and then what we are going to do is to add our picture to one of our posts, and that's actually very simple. We go to the one I wrote already here. This is my first post. I come here, yeah, and then yeah, we don't have very much text, so it's going to be a bit weird how it is going to be at the end. But then I go here to add media, but then you're going to see how to do it, and then you can decide then on already to select files and to upload a picture and then add it, or just go to your media library, and there is our picture. So we go there. We could actually change also again the title of the alt text. You can add a description to it. It's not necessary. You can say, okay, I want to have it the alignment or in the left, or in the center, or in the right, or none at all, left. Then here you have a place where you say, actually I want to have this linked to a media file, or just not linked at all. That is actually what normally I do, because then if people is clicking in that picture, then they go on and they see the picture bigger. Then you can add that if you want. And the size, you can just put it as a thumbnail, medium size, or full size. In this case, I'm going just to use medium size, and then I insert it into the post. You see, so now the text is coming in the right side, how I said, and the picture is in the left side. Yeah. So you can now add actually the possibility just to preview first how it is looking like, and then it's looking like this. Yeah. And then if you are happy with it, you just update it. Yeah. Also, something very important I'm going to tell you while this is updating is that we have the possibility in our post to add a future image. That's actually very interesting and very important, because in this way what we are doing is, when it's coming the summary of all the posts, it's coming next to it also the picture is attached to it, let's say. And that's very important aesthetically, but also just to recognize which posts are. And then we do the same, we set it as a feature image from our media library. Yeah, and then it's looking like this. Yeah, that's how it is. And now that we are here, I'm going to explain you as well how to add links to your post, because it's also something very important. Very important. Even a picture can be a link. So we can actually use this picture as a link to something else, and that is actually with this symbol here. So you go there, insert, edit the link, and here you can say actually where do I want to have linked that picture. That works also with text, so it is exactly the same. Then you can just add here a website, or with a title on it or not, or you can link it actually, and that's actually very important. Then you know how to link pages. You can actually link it to one of the pages that you have already in your site or your blog. So this is actually very important characteristic that makes everything more functional and really friendlier. Yeah. So in this case, I'm going just to do a link with that picture on my page number 3 that maybe is talking about the same, or I want to refer to it, or whatever. You add it, and then it's already there. So when people is going to link or to click in that picture, they are going actually to that link, if you want. It's very weird actually to do this with a picture, but it's just an example. Another thing you can do, you click in the picture, you can erase it like that, or you can modify it as well, editing. Yeah, so here again you can say, okay, I wanted to have it smaller, just 90% or 80%, 70%. Yeah, and then you leave it like that, and you update it, then it will be a bit smaller as well. In the preview, you go to the preview, to the other tab, you see actually that is coming much slower, sorry, much smaller. If you click in the picture, you'll see I go to the page 3 where I don't have anything, but that's how it works. Yeah, and if I go to my blog, yeah, all the last posts are coming to it, and you see actually how fast it's charging, because the size is quite okay. Yeah, and that's all for now. Actually, I hope you enjoy all these videos and all these lessons, and that you are getting further with all your websites and blogs. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.